Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes guys, if you want to know how I make this delicious egg roll, stay tuned to the end of this video guys. So for a start guys, here are all the ingredients I'm going to use for this recipe. It's very simple and easy to achieve. So keep watching. As you can see, I have my sugar. I also have my flour. Yes guys, that is my flour. And this is my nutmeg. And I have some margarine. At the same time, I have vegetable oil. You can use any cooking oil of your choice, and I have some eggs. So first of all, I will start by boiling my eggs. Yes guys, just add your egg in your cooking pot and boil it for 15 to 16 minutes. So as you can see, I'm just adding water to cook the eggs. After that, I will just cover it to cook. Yes guys, the next step is to measure 1 cup of flour. As you can see, I'm using 1 cup of flour in this recipe. Just add it in a clean bowl. The next step is to add my sugar. In this recipe, I'm using 2 spoons of sugar. Yes guys, as you can see. Then I will add a pinch of salt and add my nutmeg, a teaspoon of nutmeg. Then I'm going to add my baking powder, a teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything together. As you can see right now, at first I'm using spoon to mix together. So after mixing, I will add 1 spoon of margarine. Yes, tablespoons of margarine, and mix everything together. After mixing, I will break 1 large egg and add inside and mix it together. Yes guys. At this moment, I'm going to use my hand to make sure I mix it very well. Guys, before using your hands, make sure your hands are clean. Yes guys. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to add 2 tablespoons of fresh milk. Then I'm going to mix it again. After mixing, I'm going to add just a little amount of water to make sure everything is well mixed. So for the egg roll, the dough is going to be a little bit hard like this, not so hard, like a little bit hard. Yes guys, as you can see, this is the way it's supposed to be. The next step is to cover it and leave it to cool down in a refrigerator. So guys, at this moment my egg is ready. I will go ahead and peel off the back, which I skip from this video just to save the time. So right now my dough is out from the fridge. What I'm doing next is to divide it, the number of egg roll I want to make. Right now I will go ahead and add my cooking oil in a pot. Next is to flour my hands. Take a piece of the dough, flatten it with my hands. As you can see, some they roll the dough, but I prefer to flatten it with my hands. Then place the boiled egg inside and make sure I seal it very well, like try to cover every trace of the boiled egg. The reason is that when frying the egg roll on a hot fire, it can open if it's not well sealed. So guys, I will proceed the same step until the dough is finished. I'm proceeding the same step by matching the dough with my palms, placing the boiled egg. I will make sure it's well covered. If you have excess dough, feel free to take that out. Yes. Guys, the size of the dough is depending on how you want it. This is how I want the size of the dough. Yes, guys. So guys, here are the whole egg rolls. Now I will proceed by start frying the egg rolls. Guys, before I forget, you must make sure your oil is hot enough, and at the same time when you are frying it, you must make sure you are frying it on a low heat. If you notice, I placed a piece of the dough to check how hot my oil was before I started frying the egg rolls. So guys, at this moment I am frying it on a low heat. When you are frying egg roll, make sure you stir it from time to time until it's golden brown. Yes guys, the reason why you stir it, you keep on stirring it, is because egg roll is heavy, so you don't want it to get burnt or not well cooked. I will proceed the same step and make sure I stir until they are golden brown. Once they are golden brown, then it's ready. Then I will take them out. So the egg roll is ready. Oh my goodness. So right now we are gonna check our egg roll and see how yummy is looking. Guys, this is lovely. This egg roll is sugary lekker. Guys, if you haven't tried this recipe, give it a try and you will come and thank me later. Thank you for watching. I believe I've come to the end of this video. See you in my next upcoming video, because as of now I am out. Bye.